You may want to know how to recover deleted videos from iPhone if these occurred to you. Okay, this video will present 5 viable methods to help you tackle this issue, regardless of the situations you're faced with. Part 2. How to retrieve deleted videos on iPhone from recently deleted album. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Head to the Album tab. Scroll down to find and tap the Recently Deleted album. Touch the Select. Handpick your wanted video clips to restore. Tap Recover Restore to retrieve. Part 3. How to recover deleted videos from iPhone using iPhone data recovery. How to retrieve deleted videos from camera roll. How to get deleted videos back from the app videos folder. Well, it's easy. Mobican Doctor for iOS can help you do this from any Windows PC or Mac computer. How to recover deleted videos from iPhone via iPhone data recovery. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS. Step 2. View and pick the deleted videos. Step 3. Recover iPhone videos in one tap. Part 4. How to get deleted videos back on iPhone with iCloud. Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, erase iPhone. Turn on iPhone. Follow on screen prompts, restore from iCloud backup. Log into iCloud. Choose backup data, restore begins. Sign into Apple ID for apps and purchases. Wait for restore. Recover deleted videos. Part 5. How to restore deleted videos on iPhone from iTunes backup. Connect iPhone to computer. Open iTunes. Double-click device icon in iTunes. Select Restore Backup. Choose relevant backup. Click Restore. Wait for completion. Earns backup, including deleted videos, restored. Part 6. How to recover deleted movie on iPhone by re-downloading it from iTunes Store. Open iTunes Store app on iPhone. Go to More Purchased. Select desired movies, TV shows, etc. Touch Not on this device. Find content. Tap on it. Tap iCloud download icon to re-download to iPhone.